Hello everyone, myself Shravani Gaikwad. Happy Children's Day and Happy Diwali to all of you. So, how's everything going on? Yeah, it will be fine because today Diwali vacations are coming and it's starting, and it will be a very enjoying moment to all of us, and it's also a very exciting moment for all of us because Diwali means a lot for us. So, moving towards my session, today's my session is all about the Children's Day. You all know this day is very enjoying, very proud day for all of us because this day is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was our great and the first Prime Minister of India, and he dedicated this day to all the children because he used to say that the children are the future of the nation. And this lines means a lot for us. Mostly it means a lot for all the children, and therefore it arise a successful person in the children. So I give a deep gratitude to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru for dedicating this day to all the children. So do you all know, starting with my story, today I'm going to tell you this story. So do you all know what is Braille script? First of all, there are many brave leaders. There were many brave leaders in the past. Yeah, and they are very great inspiration to all of us. Taking into account a very close inspiration like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and again the most and the very great person Pandit Ramabai and Manorama Bai. So Pandit Ramabai has done a very great job for women and the children in the India, and she is good, she was good, and she will be good. She was a very inspirative person. So her daughter, when her daughter learned the Braille script from foreign, and when she came back in India, Manorama Bai, when she came back in India, she opened a school for blind people. She opened a school for blind people so that the blind people who were thinking that education is not important will move towards the education. So today's all about session is all about the education and children's correlation between two of them. You all know education is lot of important thing for all of us. Yeah, it means a lot for all of us because education gives a perfect route to our life, and therefore I always salute doing all these studies. I always give an importance in my life to the education first of all. So Manorama Bai opened a Braille school for all the blind people, and it was very much great help for the blind people that she opened this school. It was very much means proud thing for the blind people so that they can educate themselves, they can read, they can write. Okay, so do you all know how this Braille script was? First of all, what is Braille script? Braille script is a system in which on the paper there are raised dots which allows blind people to read and get educated. And this script was invented by whom? Do you know? Okay, I'll tell. I have to tell. This system is invented by Louis Braille, who was a French educator and also the inventor of this system. He was so much means when this Louis was just a 3-year-old boy, very small boy. When he was just a small boy, he was so much frustrated about the studies. He was just playing and roaming. Okay, he used to hate the studies. Only enjoying was the goal of his life. But when one day accidentally one thing happened, his father was having a leather company, and when he gone in that company, he was playing over there, and they, do you know, was teaching all. He took that all and blinded his eye, one eye, just one eye. He was blinded by one eye, and that sudden incident was very much shocking for him. And then when he was going to school, he was normal with one eye, but the next eye was blinded. Then he came to know the importance of education. Then he came to know what education means. And therefore he said, I am having just one eye. I can now be a successful person if I want. But what about the people who are fully blinded? He was thinking a lot and he said, I will do something for that people. And therefore in the future, in his future, he done a very great job. He invented this script, and therefore now every blind people who gives an importance to the education can get educate just due to Louis Braille. And therefore a great salute to Louis Braille, who was just a boy, and he done a very great job, and he is famous as an French educator also. I told you first also about this. He was also a French educator and also very famous due to his invention. Therefore this story gives just a moral that if you are children, do not think that this is our childhood, we can just enjoy. Okay, and later when we will be person, we will do whatever we want. It's not like that. From childhood only we should color our dreams. We should draw our dreams, color it, yeah, paint it like a picture perfectly, and keep their dreams in our mind, so you will be successful in the future. It is like that. One more example, like if you are learning riding bicycle and you just fall down, just do not sit over there and keep crying. Again stand up and again go on with your bicycle. It's like that. Do not give up. And you don't think that we are small or we are bigger, we do not need to do this, we'll just enjoy. No, education means a lot for us. And we can take the inspiration of the stories, male hero we can say, Louis Braille. Yeah, he is a lot very big inspiration, enough inspiration for all of us. So this was the story related to Children's Day, and also most important, education. Education means a lot in the world. Second thing is everyone has a right to education, right to live, right to be safe. Education means lot. Education has so much right. Every person, every people, every child, exactly every child can get education, can have education. Okay, and do not think that he will not do this, he is not able to do this. Remove the word impossible from your dictionary, your mind. If you are saying impossible, nothing will be successful, nothing will be gained. If you make an apostrophe in I and M of the starting words of the impossible, then it will be I am possible. And it is good that if you say I am possible to do each and everything if I think. Okay, the three things we learned, that education is very important. The second thing is there is right to education. Everyone should do education. And third one is, you should all do not think that we are impossible or we cannot do this thing. Always think that I am possible. So thank you for giving the most precious time to my speech, my story, my session. Okay, exactly, it's my session. And we're very happiest Children's Day, and also happiest Diwali to all of you. Enjoy your Diwali vacations and stay home, stay safe. It's most important. And thank you once again, and happy Children's Day. And also a very deep gratitude once again to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. We will all stand and give just 2 minutes to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, so that to remember his work, his sacrifice for our country. So just 2 minutes stand. Okay, so again, happy Children's Day, happy Diwali, and whatever I told, please remember it. And stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself and your family. Bye, have a nice day.